If we talk about courses, if we go into the details just briefly, and that is about we had taught several courses according to the market trends as mentioned by Mr. Basit. The first one which is most demandable by our students, which is SDET. It is basically an automation testing course in which, because every new company or an existing company who develops an application for themselves internally or for the client, they need to test it. So every application which is being made in the world, it will be tested. So testers are highly demanding these days, and we basically give you the practical experience along with lot of interactive sessions. During our classes, we do group discussions, assignment, quizzes. You will have access to recorded videos in case someone misses one class and he does not want to lag behind. He can just pick up the pace and can go with others as well. And we have a lot of diversity in our team as well. Along with it, you can also join anywhere. If it's an in-person you want to come in our office, that's fine. Otherwise, you can join online as well. So basically, it's a full-fledged package for someone who will thinking to start their career in IT, and someone who already have an career in IT, but he does not see it succeeding. So we can help you catch up your dream jobs, which are high demanding, where you have growth potential as well. And along with automation testing courses, we also provide some Java certifications as well. You can get an Oracle certification, professional Java application developer courses that will definitely help you in starting your career, because in every IT programming job, you need to have some basic skills about the programming. So that's also part of it.